In this video, I'm going to walk you through the AI outbound calling compliance checks. In case you didn't know, you can do outbound calls from workflows, but that comes with rules and regulations. The Voice AI outbound calling compliance feature is a safeguard that reviews every location, phone number, contact before any AI outbound call is placed to ensure that you stick to the rules. This feature ensures that you pass the KYC verification, the Know Your Customer verification. It will help you to capture legally valid opt-in language. It will also help you that you will respect strict rate limit, D&D, meaning do not disturb, and calling hour rules. This automated compliance feature will reject any automated call that is supposed to go out if it doesn't follow the rules. So let me show you how you can set this up. So first we want to make sure that we enable the outbound calls feature. To enable this, go to AI agents on the left, click on Voice AI at the top, go to your agent list, and here at the top you can see Enable Outbound Calls. Click that button, and here it repeats the terms for outbound AI calls. By activating this, you confirm and agree that your business has secured the correct level of consent from each individual before placing the call. So meaning that you can't spam people if they didn't agree that you will call them. This goes for your opt-in forms and so on. And you acknowledge that this platform provides this tool, but your business is solely responsible for its legal and compliant use, meaning that you take full responsibility of your actions. You hit agree to terms above and click accept. Then you will see this window popping up where you need to verify your persona. Click Begin verifying. Select the country of your government ID, hit select, and then choose which ID you would like to submit, a driver's license, a national ID, or a passport. Once selected, you will need to show your ID into the camera. So make sure you have your camera connected to your laptop or to your PC or use the internal camera. Then click either on the camera button if you want to use your laptop camera, or click continue on another device. I'm going to use this camera right here. Then there's a pop-up which asks you for permissions to allow. So let's allow this time. And then we are going to hold our ID like this in front of the camera. Once done, you think it's good, click use this photo, and then do the same thing with the back of your ID. Use this photo. Now it's processing the ID, and it couldn't verify my ID because it was probably too blurry. So let's try again. And it accepted it this time. Now it needs to make sure that I'm a real person. So we need to take some selfies. Let's click on get started. Center yourself on the screen. Look slightly to the left. Look slightly to the right. And ta-da, congratulations, we are done. Hit done and we are verified. Now we have to view all the non-compliant product touch points, and all the products should seek consent from users to receive an automated business call. This is very important legal consideration to limit spam calls to your customers, okay? So in the drop-down menu here, you can see the forms, and then you can click Run Your Compatibility Check, and it just scans all of your forms if they're compatible. Meaning if you used that opt-in language, hey, we may call you via an AI agent. So to enable Voice AI outbound calling, your data collection channels must include consent language that meets the requirements above, okay? Meaning a clear statement that the user agrees to receive both text messages as well as phone calls. A disclosure that calls may be automated, pre-recorded, or use an AI voice. A statement that the user agrees to receive marketing communications from your business, and information on how the user can opt out for future messages. So it scanned, and down here it found 45 forms that need updating in order to comply with those rules and regulations. Now you don't need to go in and update every individual form. You can just click proceed with the update. Then here you can insert the new language. Please consult with your legal team for the right consent message. They should contain the following consent language. So once you have your opt-out messages ready, type it in here and then check compatibility. Now this text is compatible. Now we can proceed. Now you can book check all of the forms or just individual ones, and then update language for selected channels. This may take a few moments until it updates everything. And ta-da, it has already updated 45 forms. Let's run a new compatibility check just to be sure. And amazing, great news. All channels are compatible with Voice AI outbound calling feature. Now let's click close, and then let's create a new agent. Let's select create custom agent. Let's give it a name, outbound caller. And then here you want to select outbound call instead of inbound call. The initial greeting messages can be chosen from concise, standard, and conversational. Then right here goes the agent's intent message, meaning the first message the agent's going to say once he or she calls the prospect. So for example, this can be an outbound caller agent who just confirms the appointment and makes sure the patients, if you're running practice, for example, the patients show up. Or if you're running a sales team and you do calls over Zoom, for example, then you can call one day before to double check these people will show up. So you can edit this, you can put custom values here. For example, hi, contact, first name. Hi, Tina, I'm calling to confirm our upcoming appointment. Will you still be able to make it? Perfect. And then next up, we have the complete greetings message preview here. This is again a message the agent will say at the beginning of your call. Please note that in this message, you can say, don't call me again to opt out is very important. And you can see it says twice the name. Hi, Tina, this is this business. You can say, don't call me again. And then again, hi, Tina. So we're just going to remove that hi, Tina up here. Then we scroll down and here we have the opt out mechanism. So as already mentioned above, the agent will automatically recognize and detect opt out keywords like stop, remove me from the call, don't call me again, and so on. The effect consent flag is false, immediate removal from the call list. You cannot call this person anymore once they opt out like this, okay? Additional opt-out options, hey, you can press any key to opt out or post-call SMS opt-out. A global SMS can be sent after the call completion. Now let's hit next. And then from here, of course, you can connect a knowledge base if you wanted to. Then you can decide which kind of details to collect from the prospect and whether or not to trigger another workflow once this call is completed. As of now, we just don't turn this on because I want to show you actually how to set up this outbound call in a workflow as well. So let's hit next. Select the phone number you want to call from. You can select a maximum of 5 numbers and let's hit save. Now we have our outbound caller AI agent created. Now let's go to automation. Then you can select any of your automations or create a new workflow from scratch. We're going to select this one. And from here, you can set your trigger. For example, lesson completed. If you're running an online course and the student has completed a particular lesson within the course, then you can give him an outbound call for a survey, for example, right? So the action here would then be voice AI outbound call. Now, again, the system will make you aware of the outbound call guidelines. Calls are made at a rate of 1 call per minute per location. So every minute you can make 1 phone call with your account. If you have several different accounts, you can make more phone calls within each location, within each account. But typically you have 1 account. So please remember, you can make 1 call per minute per location. Each location can make up to 100 calls per day. Each phone number can be called only once per day, meaning your contact's phone number, not your agent's phone number. Any additional call will be scheduled for the next day. So anything that goes above 100 will then just be fulfilled the next day. Each phone number can be called a maximum of 4 times within 2 weeks. Calls exceeding this limit will fail. Again, this is to protect the consumer, not to spam people. Calls are scheduled only between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. as per the contact's phone number's time zone. Now you may be wondering, why is the call window limited from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. when the federal law allows 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.? And by the way, at the moment, outbound calls are only available within the US. So the answer to that is the system set a narrow window to account for stricter law level rules to reduce the consumer complaints, all right? Next up, calls can only be made to contacts who have opted in to receive AI calls within the form, for example, and who have not enabled their DND. DND means do not disturb, which also means unsubscribe. If they didn't tell you, don't contact me, you can call them. If they told you, don't contact me again, you cannot call them. And then, as I just mentioned, calls can only be made to US numbers. And then down here, you can select your AI agent. So we created the outbound caller. We select that one from our phone number, okay? Hit save action, and that's it. Please note that toll-free numbers are currently not supported for this particular feature. And also please remember that the call recording and the consent settings must be configured per region before the launch. Please note that all the rules are mandatory and that you cannot disable any of those rules. Please also note that rejected calls will not cost you anything because the rejection occurs before the dialing, so no minutes are being billed. The Know Your Customer process I've walked you through at the beginning of the video only needs to be repeated when your details change, meaning your business ownership or other legal details. Otherwise, it just remains valid. I really hope you can see how beneficial this feature is to helping you grow your business and or agency in general, because I don't need to tell you how much time is being wasted dialing manually and missing timings. So these voice AI agents can be really reliable salespeople for your business. I hope you liked this video and I will see you in the next one. For more information about this particular feature or any other feature, check out the Content Army YouTube playlist as well as the help doc library linked in the show notes below and our blog. See you then.